Tripathi. I welcome you all to my channel with a very big heart. I hope you all are healthy and fine at your homes, and I really hope you all are not stepping out of your houses. So I'm back with a new and interesting video, and today we are gonna see how to make a manuscript. Okay, so many of you will be thinking that what is a manuscript? Well, manuscripts were the old books which were written many years ago, and they were written by hands. Many of you will be thinking that why manuscripts were written? What are the use of them? Well, they were written so that we can know about things happened in our ancient past, and people love knowing about history because Indian history is a vast chapter. So yes. So in this video, guys, I'm gonna tell you how to make a manuscript.
You're playing your cards with your queen of hearts. When everyone folds, your fork still holds. You're placing your bet, showing no regret. Close your eyes to hide your lies, roll the dice. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass.
Thank you very much everyone for watching the video, and if you liked it, then don't forget to smash up that like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then no problem, please subscribe it. And for more updates on coronavirus and lockdown, please watch Samiksha Tripathi channel.